Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is about regrets and making sure that you're not living a life full of regret. And you know, living in regret is the worst possible thing that you can do. What's the point of always reflecting on what's happened, always thinking of all the negative things that happened that you did 5-10 years ago or whatever you may be regretting, or focusing on the things that you didn't do or didn't say, you know, constantly dwelling on the could have, should have, or what you could have done. There's no point in living in regret. What do you actually achieve from focusing on all the things you regret? Granted, there may be awful things that happen to you. Life is not perfect. We all go through awful situations. We've all done things in life that we're not particularly proud of, but you're not your biggest mistake. You can't let your mistakes define you. After all, you can't change it. What's happened in the past can't be changed. It's happened. We have to let it go. Like, it's sort of like spilling water and trying to save it. There's no point in living a life full of regrets. Key thing that you can possibly do, you know, I know that sometimes awful things happen, or people did awful things to you, people let you down, people disappointed you, you may have disappointed somebody, things may have not turned out as well as you wanted, but you can't hold grudges, you can't live a life full of regrets. Mistakes essentially always teach us something. What you can do is see how you can progress forward. Things haven't gone as well as you expected, someone's disappointed you. You have to figure out how you can move away from that. You have to figure out how you can make sure that that doesn't happen again, or what the experience has taught you. How can you turn that experience and make it positive for yourself? How can you become a positive person from that experience? If you regret mistreating someone in the past, or if someone has mistreated you in the past, regardless of what happened, there's so many reasons you can regret something, but the ways I see it is you can learn from it. Instead of mistreating somebody else because of how you were treated, use it as a way to learn and progress and say, I'll never treat someone that way. So the key is being able to flip it around and apply it to your everyday life. Why spend too much time focusing it and become the best version of yourself? Thank you for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.